What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use and also to enable the home button in your Microsoft Edge browser, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply open up Edge. So let me type Edge on my computer here and I will open up the Edge browser. Now guys, the home button normally shows right beside your address bar on the left hand side. So right beside the refresh button, you would normally have the home button, right? And you can customize this to access whichever website you want. However, as you see here, there's no home button. Now, in order to enable this, or let's say to turn this on or show this, right, you want to click on these three dots and you want to go to settings. Now, once you're inside settings, you want to click on appearance and you want to scroll all the way down to where it says home button. Now, as you can see, it's currently off, right? So in order to turn this on, have a look at this. If I click this, it's on and you can now see the home button in the top left hand side. So if I toggle it off again, it disappears. If I turn it on, it's there. Now you can easily set a URL, whichever URL you want, right? Now you can easily set whichever web page you want. So in order to do this, just simply click set button URL, right? And you will have this place here where you can set a new tab, or actually you can set it to the page as you wish. So currently mine homepage is set to Bing. So if I open a new tab here, you see that it's currently at Bing.com. However, if I want to change this, and let's say I want to put, for example, YouTube as my homepage, right? So let's type YouTube there and I would save it, right? Now what's going to happen, guys, whenever I click on the home tab, it will take me to YouTube, and there you have it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So whichever homepage you want to use, you can simply change it to the home button there. And as you saw before, you can set this to whichever website you want, and you can easily turn this on or turn this off. Now currently, I would prefer to leave it as Bing, so I will save by the Bing, and I will currently leave this and I will turn it off. So in order to turn this on or off, guys, you have to just toggle it on and you can just choose whatever. If you want to set it as a new tab or you want to set it to a direct page, you can choose whichever you want and you just need to simply click and save. That's how easy it is, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.